Hello friends, it's me Mahendra Mahipur and I'm just reading a text. Today I will teach you what's the market, what is the share market, how it works and what are the types that we have to see in that. So let's begin. So mostly the share market is regulated by SEBI. It's completely regulated by SEBI. SEBI is a Security Exchange Board of India. In SEBI, the shares are traded in two exchanges, NSE, BSE, National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange, and MCX. MCX for Multi Commodity Exchange means in MCX commodities are traded. How can we invest in NSE and BSE? So there are three ways. First is IPO and second is from Demat account or investment holdings, and there are a lot of things. IPO is the initial public offering. So IPO you can directly purchase the newly published shares of any company. The company which issues shares for the public. So that share you can purchase from IPO. And cash. Cash is a price that is running in the market. That is means the particular company. How can you value the particular company? That particular company is valued by share price. That share price is called the cash market for that. So that is the cash price of the share. Future and options. Future and options are the derivatives of cash. And in MCX also they are MCX is completely traded on future and options. They are derivatives completely. So so let's see what is share. Share is an individual unit of capital expressing the ownership relationship between the company and the shareholder. In simple way, we can say if we buy a share, then we are the owner of that company of that particular one share. Means the what is the value, whatever the value of one share of that company, we are owner of that one share in that company. So that is share. Means shares are traded in the shares are traded in the market exchange. So how can we read the charts for that? There is a candlestick, a candlestick chart patterns are mostly used for reading the technical analysis, for doing the technical analysis. So let's see what candles. A candlestick is a type of price chart used in technical analysis. It is completely used for technical analysis. The candlestick that displays the high, low, open, and closing prices of the security for a specific period. Means that candle show you how high, low, open means at what high the price gone, at what low the price gone, and where the price is open that day and where the price closes that day. If you are choosing the 1 day candle, if you're choosing 15-minute candle, then in 15 minutes whatever is happened that is shown by the candle. And the closing price of security for a specific period. Specific period is 1 day, 15 minutes, 1 minute, 1 month, whatever is there. So charts, types of charts. Majorly we are using three types of charts. There are lots of, but majorly we are using three types of charts in share market: candlestick chart, line chart, and bar chart. So let's see first talk about the candlestick chart. A candlestick chart is a type of price chart used in technical analysis that displays the high, low, open, and closing prices of security for a specific period. So let's see how it is seen. Suppose that is a bearish candle. Bearish means red. Red means bearish. Bearish means in that particular candle the price goes down and down only. And it's a green candle means bullish candle. In bullish candle you can say that it's the price open and it goes up and up means it's a positive candle. And bearish is a negative candle and bullish is a positive candle. So let's see what's in that red part. This is called the body of the candle, and that green part is called the body of the candle. and that week, it's called a week. It shows at what price the share goes that particular time period. Suppose we can, and so, let's talk about the latter. It's called a high, and in bearish and bullish, in both it's called the high, and this called the low in both bearish and bullish. This is this part. This part is called the low week, and this is also the low week. Let's talk about the main thing in the candle. In bearish candle, the share price open is there. This at this point. Suppose let's see it's a 100 rupees. At 100, the candlestick, the candle starts at 100 rupees price. Suppose the market, let's take it a 1 day candle. Suppose in morning 9:15 the candle open at 100 rupees, and it goes goes up to 110. So this is called the high. High is called 110 and open 100. When it opens 100, first it goes, suppose first it goes up to 110, then it starts falling. From open to that point, it goes down and down and down, and mad low of suppose 50 rupees. Mid low of 50 rupees. But at 3:30, it closes at 70 rupees. So this is called close in bearish candle. In bearish, open at 100, goes high at 110, and made low of 50 rupees and closes at 70. So this is called the bearish candle. So let's talk about the bullish candle. In bullish candle, suppose it open there at 100 and goes up to and made low of 90 rupees. Mid low of their mid low of 90 rupees. It first at the 9:15 it open at 100 and goes down till 90 rupees. Then it start going up. It going up and up and up and made high of 150 rupees there. But it closes at 130. There it closes at 130 at 3:30. So yeah, that is called the candle. It's completely called the candle. And the second is line chart. A line chart is a graphical representation of an asset's historical price action that connects a series of data points with a continuous line. It can be used to check the trend. Yes, the main important part of line chart is to check the trend, that what the trend is going on right now in the of a particular company or particular share. It's the important thing in the technical analysis. You can analysis with this that what the trend is going on in that particular stock, some particular company, you can say particular share chart, whatever. Suppose it started from there going up, it's called the downtrend. It shows the downtrend there and goes down, up, low. Means it calls the low. Then from low it is going up and made high there, and then slightly goes down and made low there, and then again it's going up and made high there, and then down and going up and up. That's uptrend. This is called as uptrend. It can be easily, we can analyze this that it's going down or up. We can easily see from there. That's why line chart is also plays a very vital role in the technical analysis. And from that chart, you can easily analyze this, what the trend is going on in the particular stock or the company. So line charts also plays a very good role in the technical analysis. But don't underestimate that line chart. And second is that bar chart. What is that? Let's see definition of that. Bar chart shows multiple price bars over time. Each bar shows how the price moves over a specified period of time. A daily bar chart shows the price bar of each day. OHLC bar chart. What is OHLC? Open, high, low, close bar chart. So let's see how it works, and that OHLC bar chart it is also just like the candle, but it doesn't shows the green or green, red, bullish, bearish. It means we are just slightly confused from that. But candlestick is we are very familiar with that. That's why that we can say that we mostly use the candlestick. So let's see what is OHLC bar chart. It is a red. Red means bearish. It is a green. Green we can mostly denote it as a bullish candle. Suppose in OHLC chart the price open there. Suppose let's take it as 100. Yeah, it open at 100 and goes up and made high of 110 and start going down after that and made low of 50 rupees and closes at 70. Yeah, it's just a simple, just as like a candlestick. No difference. Only just a body difference that showing difference or body difference, whatever we can say. And in green chart, in green OHLC bar chart, the the price open there 100 and goes mid high and sorry open at 100 and then mid low of 90 rupees and then start going up and made high of 150 rupees and closes at 130. It's just simple as the candlestick chart. Mostly we are using candlestick charts for our technical analysis. So we have to focus more on a technical means candlestick chart. That is this candlestick chart. There are a lot of candlesticks available. There are a lot of candlestick patterns were made in the chart. So we will discuss about that later. If you want any particular candlestick analysis, how can we pretend that candlesticks work like that or not? You can just only ask from me there. From and if any doubt you have in that, you can ask me. I will surely reply to you. So thank you so much.